Hey everyone, and welcome to Vicky Crochets. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a slip knot. If you find this video educational, please make sure to hit that like button down below and of course subscribe to my channel for more crocheting videos. So let's get started. I have a pink yarn right here. It doesn't matter what type of yarn you use, whatever project you're working with, you're going to go ahead and do the slip knot. Now there are different ways to start off the project, but for this video we're going to go ahead and do a slip knot. So how to do a slip knot? We're going to go ahead and put the yarn over your index finger. You're going to get your other index finger and pull so it looks like this. Right now I have the tail on this side and the yarn that's connected to the ball is on my other side. So again, your fingers should look like this. Both index fingers should be pointing downwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my thumb and put it right there, right next to your index finger. So it should look like a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and turn my hand around. So it should look like this. Again, this is how it looks like before. And you're just going to turn your hand. Now, what you're going to do from here is you're going to grab the yarn that is connected to the ball. So it's right here. Again, this is how my fingers are. And you're going to pull it through. That is called a slip knot. So let's go ahead and do it again. So I put it over my finger, my index finger. I pull with my other index finger. Make a triangle. Turn my work over. Grab the yarn. And we're going to pull through. And that is how you do a slip knot. So I hope you guys found this video educational. I do want to let you guys know, don't give up. I personally learned on YouTube and this took me some time to learn. I would literally rewind the videos, make them to slow motion so that way I can go ahead and follow the fingers of the person I was looking at. So if you guys found this video educational, go ahead and hit that like button down below and of course subscribe to my channel. I do have another channel as well that's called Vicky Vlogs. I will leave it down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.